Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Zoo Show 2.1 channel, soundbar 100 watt, soundbars for smart TV, subwoofer, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features: 360 degrees surround sound experience. Transform your living room into a cinematic oasis with our sound bar, featuring Dolby Atmos technology. From subtle whispers to booming explosions. Enjoy a full spectrum of sound that makes movies and music truly immersive right at home. 4 equalizer modes. The soundbar has 4 equalizer default settings which tailored to different music style. You can adjust soundbar to 4 different equalizer modes according to different TV shows like news, movie, and music. It is an excellent soundbar for your TV. Press the EQ button on the remote control to choose among music mode, EQ1, movie mode, EQ2, news mode, EQ3, game mode, EQ4. HDMI EARC. This HDMI cable connection passes advanced audio like Dolby Atmos from your TV to your soundbar. One cable is all you need for a high-quality connection that won't degrade your sound. Effortless setup and broad compatibility. Begin your audio journey with easy setup and versatile connectivity options. Our soundbar is designed for seamless integration, supporting optical, ARC, AUX, and Bluetooth connections to connect effortlessly with a wide range of devices. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.